We're with the Grim Reaper, Attorney Dan Uhlfelder here from South Walton, Florida. This afternoon, the first day the beaches have been open. So Daniel, when did you decide and why did you decide that the Grim Reaper tour needed to start?
I sued the governor and he's refusing to take appropriate action, and now they're opening beaches. I've been fighting to keep our beaches open for the public for years, and so I understand the real desire and interest in coming to the beaches, but I think right now it's a premature and it's a kind of a knee-jerk reaction to a situation rather than trying to address the real issue of people's not getting paid while they're not working, unemployment, not getting loans, not getting government assistance. And so the government and the governor is leaving this to the locals rather than doing the right thing and open up the beaches and just getting the virus to spread all over the place. I mean, I still believe firmly in that these beaches are for the public to use. We were just at a beach where they tried to kick us off. They called the police on me.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What happened this morning? What beach?
My last stop over at Sunrise Beach.
And the law enforcement came?
The law enforcement came. They took my driver's license. Well, they didn't actually. They asked for my driver's license, and then I gave it to them, and they ran my information through the system, and I gave my real name, not Grim Reaper, but yeah. So they called the cops on me because they said I was on their private beach, which is a joke, you know. So I'm still dealing with that. That ain't going away. Trust me. So
are you in court now on that? That's customary use. Is that right?
Customary use is in court right now. Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Well, that's a hot button topic.
No,
From Perdido Key all the way over here.
These beaches are for all of humanity. I was just at a beach doing nothing wrong, and these guys called the cops and said I was on their private beach, and I said, well, where is the boundary? They didn't know. It's greed. And so that is, I want to get everybody back to these beaches safely and securely. But I think we've got 60,000 plus deaths in America. We've got a million people, known cases. Walton County, we had 3 new cases the other day. We've only tested less than 1% in Walton County. So this is a deadly virus, and I want to get back to normal quick as possible, but I want to do it in a safe, methodical. There's nobody that's fought harder for public beaches than me, and this is for the public safety. This is about public safety. I have kids here. My parents are here. I'm a second-generation Floridian. Florida is in my blood, and this governor has blood on his hands for what he's doing. He's going to kill people for what he's doing, and he needs to be held responsible.
Have you talked to the governor?
I've sued the governor. Yes.
You follow that, or do you?
I try to follow the governor because our lives depend on it, because he's derelict in his duty.
The attorney here is on a tour of the beaches locally. We watched him this morning. We just watched him here to send a message, his message, that it's unsafe to be on these beautiful beaches in the time of COVID.
And I'm not saying it's unsafe to be on the beach. I mean, if you can practice social distancing, my concern is the draw that it brings people here to our restaurants and to our facilities. And so people who are infected or coming from highly infected areas, it's not that I don't want people on the beach is the draw for the virus. So